Did you know there are 8 specific fruits that physically alter how your eyes repair themselves? But, and this is crucial, the timing matters just as much as the fruit itself. If you are over 60 and you are starting to dread driving a car at night because of headlight glare, or you constantly have to push a text further away just to read it, your eyes are not just getting older. They are being completely deprived during their most critical repair window. The oxidative stress caused by daylight and glowing screens does not ruin your vision during the day. The real decline happens in the dark. If the tiny blood vessels in your retina run out of the nutrients they need for overnight regeneration, that temporary daily stress turns into permanent damage. Think about how your eyes actually function at 2 a.m. Most people explain this too simply. They tell you to chew on carrots for vitamin A, but this completely ignores the mechanical reality of your retina. Your retina is packed with the tiniest blood vessels in your entire body. During the day, UV rays and screen glare hit these vessels and create free radicals, essentially biological rust. At night, your body tries to scrub this rust away. But to do that, it needs a highly specific class of antioxidants called anthocyanins. This is where our first fruit comes in, blueberries. But we are not throwing them into a morning oatmeal. Eating a handful of blueberries 1 to 2 hours before bed floods your bloodstream with anthocyanins exactly when your retinal vessels are rebuilding. These compounds physically repair the cellular walls of those microvessels, allowing them to deliver oxygen again. Sounds simple. It is not. Putting the nutrients into your blood is useless if your body refuses to absorb them in the dark. That is the trap. And that brings us to the second fruit, the one that forces that absorption to happen. Most people know it from salads, but botanically, it is a fruit, avocado. You do not need a whole one, just 2 or 3 slices. Here is the catch. The most important antioxidants for your eyes are fat-soluble. Without fat, they pass right through you. A few slices of avocado act as the transporter, pulling those compounds into your blood while you sleep. But what exactly is the avocado pulling? That brings us to fruit number 3, goji berries. Goji berries contain a massive concentration of a compound called zeaxanthin. This is not just a general health vitamin. Zeaxanthin physically deposits itself directly into the macula, the tiny, highly sensitive center of your retina, responsible for your sharp, straight-ahead vision. It builds a dense yellow pigment. Think of it as a literal internal pair of sunglasses. As you cross your 60s, this pigment layer naturally thins out. That is exactly why oncoming headlights suddenly feel like lasers piercing your skull at night. The protective shield is depleted, so the harsh light scatters wildly inside the eye instead of being safely absorbed. Eating a small handful of dried goji berries alongside your avocado provides the exact raw pigment your macula needs. The avocado guarantees the zeaxanthin makes it into your bloodstream, and the dark night provides the time to build the shield. But even with the right nutrients in your blood, the repair process will completely crash if you make one common evening mistake. The mistake is drinking your fruit instead of eating it. Many people try to help their eyes by drinking a glass of orange or apple juice before sleep, thinking they are getting a final dose of vitamin C. This is a disaster for your retina. Liquid fruit removes the fiber, creating an immediate blood sugar spike. When your blood glucose shoots up, your body suppresses melatonin. Most people think bad sleep is just tiredness, but eye repair only happens in your deepest sleep phases. No deep sleep, no repair. It's that simple. To get the vitamin C your eye vessels actually need without the sugar spike, you need fruit number 4, kiwi. Eating 1 whole kiwi an hour before bed provides a massive dose of vitamin C to strengthen the walls of your tiny eye vessels. But more importantly, kiwi contains a high concentration of natural serotonin. This vital nutrient physically lowers your core body temperature and initiates the sleep cycle without spiking your glucose. Once you fall asleep, you have to stay there. That brings us to fruit number 5, tart cherries. You can eat them whole or drink a small amount of pure, unsweetened tart cherry concentrate. Tart cherries are one of the rare natural sources of pure melatonin. Most people think of melatonin just as a sleep aid. That is the wrong way to look at it. For your eyes, melatonin is the master switch. It tells the brain to turn off the waking visual system and flood the retina with repair enzymes. During the day, cellular breakdown products accumulate in your retina. It has its own microscopic drainage system to flush these byproducts out, but that system remains mostly closed while you are awake. It only opens its valves during deep, uninterrupted sleep. Without melatonin initiating this process, these cellular waste products simply pile up, slowly clouding your central vision over time. But what happens if you already have dry, gritty eyes that burn like sandpaper before you even close them? Eye drops only wash the surface. To actually lubricate the system from the inside out and stop your eyelids from micro-scratching your cornea overnight, you need to trigger a highly specific internal hydration process. And fruit number 6 does exactly that. Fruit number 6 is apricots, specifically dried, unsulfured apricots. When you have dry eyes at night, your tear film is breaking down too rapidly. Your body relies on vitamin A to maintain the integrity of that exact tear film and the conjunctiva, but synthetic vitamin A supplements can easily become a heavy burden on the liver. Apricots offer the biological workaround. They are packed with beta-carotene, which your body only converts into vitamin A exactly when and where it is needed. Eating 2 or 3 dried apricots an hour before bed provides the structural building blocks for mucin. Mucin is the sticky bottom layer of your tears. It physically grips the water to your eye surface, preventing your eyelids from causing microscopic friction damage to your cornea while you sleep. But you do not just need to build the tears. You also need to prevent internal inflammation from shutting down your tear glands. This introduces a hidden obstacle. If you eat heavy, hard-to-digest foods late at night, your body is forced to pool massive amounts of blood flow down into your gut. This leaves the delicate vessel networks in your eyes starved of circulation. Even worse, undigested proteins sitting in your stomach trigger a low-grade immune response. This systemic inflammation travels upward, pools in the tissues of your face, and disrupts the normal function of your tear glands. This is exactly why you wake up with thick, swollen eyelids and a gritty sensation. Those puffy eyelids are not just a cosmetic annoyance. The swelling acts like an insulating layer pressing down on your eye. It traps the heat from the inflammation directly against your eyeball, which massively dries out whatever tiny amount of tear fluid you have left. By using the papain enzyme to stop the gut inflammation, you clear this trapped heat from your face. Fruit number 7 prevents this entirely. Papaya. Papaya contains a unique digestive enzyme called papain. This enzyme actively dismantles those heavy proteins in your gut before they can trigger an inflammatory response. By eating a few cubes of fresh papaya as your final bite, you clear the digestive backlog. This allows your vascular system to push maximum nutrient-rich blood flow back up to your retina instead of trapping it in your stomach. Now the vessels are repaired, the macula is shielded, your sleep is locked in, and the tear film is rebuilt. But there is still one massive problem waiting for you the moment you wake up and look at your glowing phone. If you do not neutralize the immediate morning light stress, everything your eyes accomplished overnight gets wiped out in seconds. We need a biological sponge to soak up that morning radiation. And that is the final fruit, blackberries. Blackberries have one of the highest true antioxidant capacities of any fruit, but unlike most of them, they have almost zero sugar. Eating a small handful before sleep does not trigger a nighttime glucose spike. Instead, they saturate your blood with polyphenols that act as a physical, light-absorbing sponge the moment you open your eyes. They protect the newly built tissue until your waking metabolism fully kicks in. Your vision is not simply wearing out from age. It is a biological engine that rebuilds itself every single night. The damage from night driving limits your life only because you are sending the overnight repair crew to work with an empty toolbox. Give those tiny vessels the raw materials they need and stop letting them starve in the dark.